Hey everyone, today we are going to give you unbiased review on June Waters Sobel Beach. So if you are curious to know about, as people from Canada, Australia and United States are very curious to know about the details of this beach, and if you are one of them who are looking forward to summer and exotic beach days with your loved one, just check out this video. Like, not all the beaches experience are good it as it sounds due to lack of comfortable and pocket friendly motel to stay, and that's why June Motel started with an initiative to change the game. So let's check out the detail. This venture was started by two friends, April Brown and Sarah Scalish. They both shared the love for discovering new travel destinations and creative designs. This first venture started in 2016 when they willingly quit their respective jobs and took a combined decision to purchase a small motel in Prince Edward County. Hence, Prince Edward County's region point became one of the motels they run today, with another at Sobel Beach. Let's check out the specification. The website is thejunemotel.com. According to our research, the creator created the domain on 11th August 2016 and its expiry date is till 2022. That making domain age is about 5 years and 19 days. The website falls under the category of hospitality. The email address provided on the website for Sobel Beach is sobelbeach@thejunemotel.com, that is matching the domain name. The address has been mentioned on the official portal. The contact number for the June Motel Sobel Beach is not provided on the website. Moreover, if you want to return, you can have the return within 14 days. The advantages of the site are: the website provides the best deals for customers looking for a beach getaway. The website is established and has an old domain age, which is a good sign. Customer reviews about the website and services is all positive. User-friendly interface and shipping are available throughout America and Canada. Disadvantages are: the direct exchange of the product is currently unavailable. The motel have no pet policy, and there is a specific time for check-in and check-out. Services are available only in limited places. So the question is June Motel Sobel Beach legit? The biggest question that is imposed on us was how genuine the website was. Hence, we have discussed different important information with you. So according to information about the website, it was created 5 years back and it will expire in next year on 11th August 2022. Its trust score was average, that is 76%, and trust rank is about 85.4 out of 100. According to our research, they have mentioned the address and that address is original. As far as customer reviews are concerned, the website has a string of positive reviews online for its services and maintenance. Customer praises for the food and vibes of the room. The room was clean and had a retro aura. Customer also mentioned that the check-in was contactless as promised. So in our final verdict, we can say that as we have discussed all the important details with you, it is a good initiative took by two friends, and the information which we have shared with you, that the website shows that it has been around for some year now and has done somewhat good as it's promised to provide the best experience for the customer. But still, we will recommend you, if you are interested to go for this, please make your thorough research before jumping to any conclusion, because on somewhere we have received also mixed reviews. So it's totally up to you to make a thorough research on your own behalf, then make a decision for this beach. And if you have a personal experience of going there, please share with us your personal experience right in the comment box.